Hey guys, how you doing? It's Coach KEYON, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. And today I want to talk to you guys about how I use $200 to create 6 streams of income. As you can see, these are the 3 streams of income that I've created in my business, where I've now make personal production, field training income, agency expansion, overrides, residuals and renewals, and most importantly, equity share credits. So how did I create this source of income? What did I do? Well, what I decided to do was I got into the highest paying industry in the world. Did you guys know that the highest paying industry in the world right now is the financial service industry? It's always been. So for some of you that are very skeptical about that, I will ask you to go Google it. Google which industry creates the most millionaires, and I guarantee it's going to tell you the highest paying industry in the world that creates the most millionaires, and since modern time, it's always been the financial service industry. But let's get back to how to use $200 to create 6 streams of income. So when you become a senior broker within our firm, you're able to put yourself in a position to where you can hire and also give the opportunity to many other people. Now, let me just give you an example of how this works. This is an example right here of where you educate an individual how to do smart banking. This is where we teach someone how to learn how to be their own bank. Put your money where the bank is putting your money. So we show them how to use a typical cash value life insurance, then show them how to save $250 a month. Like I said, this is just for illustration purpose, just to show you an example of how much money you can make. So within our firm, as you can see below here, this is an example of an associate that helps one individual doing that. He's making $13.50 per transaction. If you're a marketing director in our firm, you're now making $1,800. If you're a regional marketing director like myself, you're now making $23.40. All of that because you learn how to become a financial educator within our firm, and we're able to show you how to do that. So if you want to learn how to turn $200 into creating 6 streams of income, I want to show you how to do it. I will personally mentor you, I will guide you, I will teach you the system, and I'll show you how to educate and never have to sell. Now, if you're a salesperson and you want to learn how to become an educator, I'll show you how to do that. If you'd like to learn how to do the same thing for yourself, go to this link right here and get registered for my class, and let's talk, and I'll show you how you could qualify for such an opportunity. I'll see you at the top.